Hello everyone, I show you how to change the battery of Suzuki Swift 2006, 7, 8, doesn't matter. This is the Suzuki Swift Sport, but the K it's the same. First, here I have the button, remove the physical K, use the tight place of the K, here I have the little hole, a little good place, and just open here. If you want, you can use it screwdriver, something like that. This is the 5.5, maybe it's perfect for this job. Open the K, very easy. Now here's the battery, now it's open. Maybe I need from some screwdriver, but it's smaller, and remove it. Now I need to check CR2032. I have the same one, I have the biggest one, but I need to check first the battery. Now open the new battery. Yeah. Remove it. And here's the minus. Oh, am I wrong? Yeah, here's the minus. Put inside and just close. Maybe first the downside, and after that softly close. Yes, it's ready. Yeah, the white indicator, it's flashing now. Okay, that's all. Bye.